We'll go over the top 5 Apple Vision Pro accessories in this video. These goods, which range from cleaning kits to protective cases, are made to enhance the lifespan, functionality, and cleanliness of your device.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Qomilax Silicone Case. An excellent protective item designed just for your Apple Vision Pro is the Qomilax Silicone Case. The Apple Vision Pro case, which is only 2 millimeters thick and fits your device like a second skin, is made of premium silicone. It ensures complete protection while giving an appearance of an almost naked device. Excellent flexibility and cushioning features of the specifically treated silicone material allow for efficient shock absorption. It considerably lowers the possibility that the gadget will sustain damage from a fall. Smudges are reduced by the special anti-fingerprint coating, which keeps the case tidy over time. Matte finishes increase traction and guard against unintentional trips and falls. This extra feature ensures a solid grip on your Vision Pro, reducing the possibility of unplanned slips and falls. This case preserves the classy look of your Apple Vision Pro while providing you with the assurance that it is well protected. On number 2, we have Clean VR Cleaning Kit. Maintaining the cleanliness of your Apple Vision Pro is important for more than simply looks. It also ensures peak performance. This is where the cleaning equipment for Clean VR comes in handy. The Clean VR pen is simple to use and sustainable since its unique cleaning element may be used up to 500 times without drying out, scratching, or spilling. To clean the lenses, simply move the pen in gentle circular motions. Then twist to clean and recharge the carbon tip for further use and reattach the cap. This patented technique, which has over 8 million users, has been tested on a variety of high-end optical devices and is safe to use on any high-end glass and plastic. All augmented reality glasses, including the Oculus Quest, are compatible with it. To ensure a thorough cleaning, the lens brush included in this set helps clean those difficult-to-reach corners and crevices that a cloth can miss. It ensures that even the most tenacious dust particles disappear without causing scratches to the lenses because it is mild yet effective. On number 3, we have Coowps Leather Carrying Case. If you're a person who is always on the run, the Coowps Leather Carrying Case for your Apple Vision Pro is the ideal addition. This sophisticated case is made of premium real leather and offers your smartphone with outstanding safety in addition to a stylish look. The carrying case's rock-solid shell provides excellent resistance to scratches, impacts, and water resistance. It is made of premium PU leather and EVA material. The headset is firmly secured in place by an internal elastic band, which lessens noise. With complete safety and style, go anywhere with your Quest 3 and accessories. The case has a refined look thanks to its superb sewing skills and water-resistant dual-zipper design. You could easily get in and out of the case thanks to the updated design. The robust hand strap allows for easy transportation, while the case organizes your Quest 3 and accessories. Perfect for storing at home or on the go. There's a sturdy zip closure on the case as well. Your Vision Pro is further protected by this safe mechanism, which also keeps your device securely tucked away while not in use. You may feel secure knowing that your gadget is shielded from the weather and mistakenly opened thanks to the zip closure, which also provides a strong deterrent against accidental openings. On number 4, we have Goseth Dock Station Stand. The Goseth Dock Station Stand is a multifunctional connection that enhances the usability and convenience of your Apple Vision Pro. It serves as a reliable surface for your device to rest, and it can also be used as a charging station so that your Vision Pro may refuel while being held firmly in place. This upgraded VR stand, designed especially for showcasing and keeping your Vision Pro VR headset and touch controllers, delivers unparalleled stability and security. With its sturdy textured base and distinctive sponge non-slip design, this stand offers a safe place for your VR headset strap and controllers. You can now place VR headsets and controllers on an improved VR stand thanks to its sturdy twin-grip hooks on both sides for stability and no swaying. The VR stand works with Vision Pro and offers a safe and practical way to store your controllers and headset. However, the Goseth Dock Station Stand is more than just a beautiful and safe design. It's all about optimizing the usability and accessibility of your Apple Vision Pro. You're able to access your Vision Pro, peek at alerts, and check the time when your smartphone is parked on the stand, all without having to pick it up or move it. On number 5, we have Devaso Foldable Mat. Probably not the first item that comes to mind when thinking of accessories for your Apple Vision Pro, the Devaso Foldable Mat is surprisingly useful. No matter where you use your Vision Pro, this mat becomes a necessary friend because it offers a dedicated, sterilized area for its utilization. In order to help you position yourself correctly for the most comfortable virtual reality gaming experience, the VR mat includes directional arrows and a built-in centering circle. The VR floor mat has a cozy, non-slip surface and is composed of premium PU. It may soak up impact from the ground and keep your feet from slipping when you move. Circular mats remain in position even when doing vigorous activity. You can stand on this mat for hours, decreasing foot, joint, and back pain and maximizing comfort as the soft, flexible material conforms to the shape and weight of your feet. There will always be a steady, smooth platform on your smartphone, which is especially important for the perfect functioning of your Vision Pro. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.